Hello learners! We have been having several lessons on how to do acrylic pouring art. Today I'm going to show you how to do this painting with a different technique. It's called cup flip. Let's get started. Okay, so I have mixed up my paint. I'm going to pour the paint in this clear cup, layer by layer. This time when I mixed the paint, I actually used the Floetrol instead of the glue. Because last time when I used the glue, I felt it was not flowing very well, and also it made the paint dry a little faster. Floetrol is actually a kind of paint conditioner. It helps the paint to flow a little better. So you can actually find Floetrol in regular stores like Menards or Lowe's, or you can also find them in craft store like Michael's. I also added a little more silicone oil this time in order to create more cells. You don't have to have Floetrol or silicone oil in order to do acrylic pouring art, but if you do add these two ingredients, it's going to make your color and painting very pretty, and also the flow would be so much better, and you'll see a lot of beautiful cells. Okay, now I have finished pouring, so I get this cup of all the different layers of paint. So I am going to use this canvas than I did before, but I was not quite satisfied with this one, so I'm going to do a pour over it. So put this upside down and hold it and flip just like this. Lay it on these three cups I prepared. Okay, so give it several seconds before we remove the cup. Okay, now, go ahead as you move. Okay. Ooh, it's already so pretty. Now it's time to tilt it back and forth slowly in order to let the paint cover all the corners. If you have a torch, you can also torch the paint to pop the air bubbles and also create more cells. Many artists like to have more cells because the more cells you have, the more possibilities, and you will be able to show the layers of the paint to create a better and cooler looking patterns. When you're done, you can rest it on the cups that you prepared earlier. Okay, and this is how it looks now. It looks gorgeous. I think I like this one so much better than the previous one. Let's take a close look. Let's take a look from a different view. It just looks gorgeous with all these cells. I really like this one. I hope you liked it too. I hope you enjoyed the lesson, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.